Matt Merritt with Smokeware. Wanted to take a look at something new we've got that'll be a great addition to your big green egg. It's a side table mate. It has a significantly larger surface area. It's made out of mahogany. It's durable. It's heavy duty. And we're going to take a look at them now. So replacing your side table mates is very simple. All you need is a 7/16" box end wrench or open end wrench, and you just take the two nuts off the studs on the band, two on each side. So you just remove the old mates and frame, keep the nuts. Install a new one is simple. You just screw the nuts back on. You probably have to flex the band, flex the frame around the band a little bit, and just tighten them up. And you're done. Simple as that. So the new mates give you a significantly larger surface area to work on. You can see by the thickness the difference in wood. These are mahogany, and they're very durable and they've got a good finish on them. Let me install the other side real quick. You know, they get roughed up pretty quick. Like these are a year old and they've been under covers. But yeah, really the biggest value is, the biggest plus is that you have, you know, a significantly larger prep area. They're about 35% larger, each one of them. So you have about, in total, maybe not quite double, but more surface area to put plates or whatever on. They're pre-assembled and they're very simple to install. So there you have it, your new mahogany table mates with about 35% more surface area to work on, and your matching handle. You've got the option of personalizing the front of the handle.